Hello everyone. As last lesson that we discussed about the basic property of the parabola, and this lesson let's finish the rest of the parabola, and will be go deep. So you can see here last lesson we introduced the standard equation of parabola is x squared equals to 4cy, right? 4cy. Okay, 4cy. The parabola is facing upward. Okay. But they have many kind of the different kind of scenario. The parabola can face downward, can face leftward, can face rightward. How it can be? Give example. Right now it's x squared equals to 4cy, right? But if we change to here, y squared equals to 4cx, then the totally will change to the turning right. So you can see the graph is turning right. Okay. So it also can be turning down, right? Turning down. So when 4c is a positive, so it's turning. It's turning up. But when the 4c is negative, so it's turning down. Same thing here. You can see y equals to 4cx. When 4c is the positive number, it tends to right. It tends to right. The curve. Okay. But in case if the 4c is a negative, it will tends to left side. Okay. So, and also we can see based on this graph, the vertex also can be changed. For the x squared equals to 4cy, the vertex is at the center of the coordinate plane, right? So it's 0, 0. But here the cortex change to 2, 1. So this can be anything, A, B, C, D, anything can be. So how its formula should be like? So you can look at here. So since vertex is x-axis is 2, so it's x minus 2 raised square equals to 4c. 4c here is 4. Okay, so and then y minus vertex y-axis 1. Got it? This is the change. If there's change with the vertex, the change will be like this way. Okay. So introduce another concept as axis of the symmetry. So here definitely by this graph is x equals to 2, right? So x equals to 2, and the 2 is exactly the x-axis of the vertex, right? So just remember this will be the vertex. So the symmetry, axis of symmetry is the x equals to 2. So you can see that it's like a mirror. If you just fold it by this line, then the graph will totally exactly match after you fold them. Okay. So let's go to C. This is the example. Okay, let's see here. What's the axis of the symmetrics here? You can see here. Always the axis of symmetrics will pass through the vertex, right? Will pass through the vertex. And here definitely you are easy to see. This should be y equals to 2, right? Because it's a symmetry based on y axis here. Okay. Okay. So if we know this, let's do some examples. So So we can see for this graph. So what we provide is 2 points. One is focus of the parabola. Another one is the vertex. So you can see on this graph. So what's the question is asked to find the standard equation right? And directrix and the axis of symmetry. So for this one, let's first writing its standard equation of the general one. Okay, since this is a turning right side, so the formula, the form will be, this will be y square is equals to 4cx, right? 4c should be positive because this the parabola is facing to the right side, right? So as we already know the vertex, right? So we already know the vertex, so we can write it as y minus 4, right? Squares equals to what? 4c, we still don't know. So it's x minus 3, right? But what is c here? What is c? C should be the distance between F to V. That is a C. So what's distance of F to V by the x-axis? So should be 21, right? 21 4 minus what? Minus 3, right? So equals to what? So 12. So it's 9/4, right? So the C is 9/4. So we can write in here the standard equation. The standard equation of parabola is, for this graph, is y minus 4 square equals to 4c. 4 times 9/4, so it's 9. X minus 3. So we got it, right? So they will ask what is the directrix. Directrix should be the, for this way, from the vertex will minus c. Okay, this is a little different, huh? Well, from vertex is minus c, then there will be directrix. So directrix will be c equals to what? C equals to v. V is 3, right? V is 3. Okay. Minus c. C is 9/4, right? So it's 3/4. So it's 3/4, right? So what is the x of the symmetry? So definitely is the y-axis, right? So it's the y equals to 4. So this is the x. Second example. This is very funny. So in fact, you can see in the right side is the paragraph, but in fact I don't expect you to see that. Okay, just not that this is not the exactly provide you the providing. Okay, so what's the really providing is here. You can see here we have our equation here. So this definitely is not a standard equation, right? Even from the equation, you are not sure what it is, right? So what's they ask? Determine the focus, vertex, directrix, axis of symmetry. So definitely this should be what? That should be what? It should be the graph, right? Okay, of the. Okay, so based on our previously that we see about this previous example parabola, so they're different style. For this one, what we're supposed to do, we should find the parabola's standard equation, right? If we find the standard equation, we can easily find all those the solution for they ask for the focus vertex, right? So what's the standard equation for this parabola? Because it's x squared, so we can write it normally should be x minus x minus h. I will write it first, okay? So I will let you know. Square, right? Is equals to 4c y, right? 4cy, then y minus hk. So what is h, what is k? Definitely, if you remember, it should be vertex. So vertex h k, right? Okay, so now it's simple. We have to change the equation, make it looks like this way. Okay, so let's just make it, just look at this one. Okay, x squared minus 6x, then it's supposed to, if it is 9, we can make this a square, right, of x minus 3, am I right? So it's like here, right? It's like the left side, right? It's like left side here. Okay, so that's going on. So definitely if we plus 9, we should minus 9, right? We should minus 9. Minus 9. Okay, then we put these two items to the right side, because it's quite easy with y's in another side, right? So it speaks for the standard equation, right? So we just keep on doing it. So equals to, okay, equals to what? Negative 12y, right? So move to right side, 12y plus 39, right? All right, so that's right? So here is a negative 9. We'll move to right side as well, right? Right side as well. So we can write it again. Is here is x minus 3 squared is equals to 12y plus 48. Or we can take the common factor of 12, right? And then is y plus 4. Okay, now we can see it's exactly the same as of the standard, right? Standard equation of parabola. Okay, so from here we can easily know what is the vertex, right? So vertex should be what? X is 3, right? So what is y? Y, vertex y is negative 4. Alright, right? Okay, so what is the Directrix? Okay, so we first need to find the let's see what we can find. Okay, let's first find the 4c. Okay, so 4c here is equals to 12. So c equals to 3. Okay, am I right? C equals to 3. What's that mean? This means from the vertex here, right? So we go down 3, 1, 2, 3 will be the Directrix, right? Will be the 9 of Directrix, will be the 9 of Directrix. If we go up 3, right, will be the focus, right? So So what the focus will be? Okay, so you can see here we are the our vertex is 3 and -3 and -4, right? 3 and -4. So if you go up, it should be go with a 9 y-axis, right? So it's -4, right? -4 plus 3, so it will be -1. So our vertex will be the -1, and x will always be the same. So our focus will be writing like this way. So 3, -1. All right. So what's the directrix? Directrix is negative. It's here is vertex is -4. Then go another 3. So will be -7, right? Okay. So we almost got everything. The last thing is we have to find the axis of symmetry. So definitely for this one it's quite easy. We can easily define is x equals to 3, right? X equals to 3 is the axis of symmetry. So we solve all the question of parabola. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.